Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given the volume and the perpendicular height of a square pyramid. Okay, so for this question, right, it will be good to do a rough sketch of this particular pyramid and to take note that the height here is 17 cm and the volume is 1275. Find the length of the square base. Okay, so the square base, I'm going to let x be the length of the square base. So you will see x here and x here, right? So what is the base area now? Base area, which is this square base, will be equals to x times x square, right? And we all also know the volume of a pyramid is equal to 1/3 times base area times the perpendicular height. And so I just need to put in the numbers in. We have the volume 1275. We have the base area now, x squared, and we have our height 17, right? So now we just need to solve for x. So basically you will then see the following working, where I divided by 1/3 and 17. And this will be equals to my x squared. So what number will this be? This will be equals to 225. So this will be equals to 225. And therefore, just to create a space out first, so that it's neater. And therefore, my x will be equals to the square root of 225. 15. Yeah. And for this case, we do not consider the negative root because we have defined x to be the length of the square base. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.